Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and connection because latency kills immersion. Connect your Quest 2 with a USB 3.0 cable or ensure both PC and headset are on the same 5 GHz network for AirLink. Open the Oculus PC app and sign in. Once you plug in, accept the data/USB permission prompt inside the headset. This step links the headset to the PC so the PC can run Google Earth VR. It's faster and more stable with a cable, but AirLink works for wireless free. Once linked, you launch Steam VR because Google Earth VR runs on Steam. From the Oculus PC app, choose Oculus Link or activate AirLink inside the headset. After that, start Steam on your PC and then Steam VR. Make sure your controllers are tracked and the play area boundary is visible. Next, launch Google Earth VR from your Steam library. The app will initialize tracking and request a floor or standing calibration. Make sure you set a comfortable scale and readjust if the world feels too high or low. To finish, optimize performance and know one key troubleshooting tip: tweak render scale and refresh settings. In the Oculus PC app and Steam VR, lower render scale or enable asynchronous reprojection to reduce stutter. If you experience lag, switch from AirLink to a USB cable or move the PC closer to your router, then restart Steam VR and the headset. If tracking drops, check USB connection, recenter your view, and close heavy background processes. Doing this ensures smooth, usable Google Earth VR on your Quest 2.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.